Hi dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations. Here when we have two equations and if they have same solution, we are calling them simultaneous equation. You need to find the one pair of x and values that satisfy both of the equation at the same time. So in simultaneous definition we have at the same time word, so it means that they have common solution at the same time. The method that we are going to use called elimination method. Here we are going to use elimination, so I'm going to try to find same coefficient and different sign variables. Actually here 3y and minus 3y, they are, as you see, they have different sign, so I can eliminate them by using side-by-side addition. What is side-by-side addition? Let me do that one. 29 plus minus 17. So I add this side, and on the other side I have 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y, and plus I am adding to 2x minus 3y it's going to be. Now I have to open the parentheses to get rid of the minus signs. 4x plus 3y plus 2x minus 3y is equal to 29 minus 17, which is equal to 12 is going to be. So here, as you see, plus 3y and minus 3y, they are going to simplify each other. Only we are going to have the terms with x. So 6x, if it is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 over 6, and x is going to be equal to 2. So as you understand here, when you replace the 2 here in both equation, it's going to give you, as you see here, the same y value. That's why I may use any equation that I like, and I'm using the first one. So 4x plus 3y, if it is equal to 29, and if x is equal to 2, then this equation, it will be 4 times 2 plus 3 times y, which is equal to 29. And 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 3y is equal to 29. And if I continue to this side, 3y is equal to 29 minus 8. It's going to be 29 minus 8, which is equal to 3y is equal to 21. Here this is 29. Okay, so y is going to be equal to 21 over 3, which is equal to 7 it's going to be. And if you replace the values here, 7 and 3 in both equation, you are going to see that it's going to satisfy. So the solution for both equation is here 2 and 7 it's going to be. And we are writing first the x values and then y values. So 2 and 7 as an ordered pair, as a pair of values, is written like this. I want to check here the solutions. So 4 times x is equal to 4x plus 3y. If it's equal to 29, 4 times 2 plus 3 times 7. Is it equal to 29? Let's see, 8 plus 21. Yes, this is 29. Okay, and the second one, 2x minus 3y. Is it equal to minus 17? Let's check also this one. 2 times 2 minus 3 times 7. I'm sorry, 3 times 7, which is equal to, is it equal to 20 minus 17, which is equal to 4 minus 21. That's equal to minus 17 it's going to be. And also, as you see, this 2 value and 7 value in both equation, when you replace, it's going to give you the result. So it means that it is satisfying both of the equation. Okay, let me solve another question here. Solve the simultaneous equations. This time it is not easy to eliminate because they don't have different sign. When I am adding, I'm going to add both of them. So here we are using one more extra method. Now we are learning one more extra method. I'm going to multiply by one sign. I want to multiply by -1, and I'm going to change the sign. When we have one number, one variable actually, with different when we have one variable with same coefficient, we are going to change one of them sign. So I'm going to multiply by -1 with the second one, and this means I'm going to multiply all the terms by -1. So the first equation, it is not going to change, and it's going to be equal to 5x plus 2y is equal to 11, and the second one is going to be -1x, which is equal to -x, -1 times 2 is equal to -2y, and -1 times -1, which is equal to 1 going to be. Now I'm going to make side-by-side addition because I catch the same coefficient, different signs case, and I'm not going to do long like this directly. 11 plus 1, which is equal to 12, minus 2y and 2y, they are going to simplify each other, which is equal to 0 here. 2y and minus 2y, they are going to simplify each other, and 5x minus x, it's going to be equal to 4x. So 4x, if it's equal to 12, x is going to be equal to 12 over 4, which is equal to 3. Okay, the second one, I need to find the y. So x plus 2y is equal to -1. This time I'm using the second equation. And I know that if x is equal to if x is equal to 3, what is the y value? I'm going to try to find what is the y value. And again, I'm replacing x by 3 plus 2 times y is equal to -1. 2y is equal to -1 minus 3. 2y is equal to -4. And here y is equal to -4 over 2. It's going to be, which is equal to y is equal to -2. So the ordered pair here, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -2 going to be. Okay, this is the last question now that we are going to solve. This is the third type of exercise, which both of the coefficients are different. As you see, one of them is 1x and the other one is 3, and here 2 and -4. So none of the coefficients in the previous questions, somehow some coefficients, they were equal to each other. Here this was different sign, and here they were same sign, but we made it different sign by multiplying -1, and this is the last one now. This is the last type of equation. None of the coefficients are equal. So we are going to use, somehow we are going to try to make the coefficients equal, and I'm going to use, generally I'm using with different signs. So if we have 2y here minus 4y here, and somehow 2y can be written in terms of 4y, that's why I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2. And they have same sign, so I don't need to multiply by -2, and it's going to be like this: 2 times x plus 2 times 2y is equal to 2 times 6. So I multiply all the terms by 2 in the first equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to 28, and 2x, here I'm writing 2x plus 4y is equal to 12 going to be. Okay, now I multiply the terms. I multiply all the terms by 2. The second equation was 3x minus 4y is equal to 28. And when I do the side-by-side addition, here this 4y and this minus 4y, they are going to simplify each other. So 2x plus 3x, it's going to be equal to 5x. 12 plus 28, it's going to be equal to, here, 40. So x is going to be equal to 40 divided by 5. X is going to be equal to 8. Okay, let's do the y value. Let's find the y value. X plus 2y, if it's equal to 6, I'm sorry, and 8 plus 2y is equal to 6 it's going to be. So 2y is equal to 6 minus 8. 2y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 over 2. Y is equal to minus 1 going to be. So here we are going to find the y value that's equal to minus 1, and the ordered pair here 8 and minus 1 it's going to be, which is firstly x, then y is written. And this is the end of our lesson.